Insta360's AI keeps getting better, but if you don't know how to get the most out of it, you still may end up with disappointing results. So follow these tips to get the best AI edits every time. All of the shots in this video were taken with the Insta360 X4, and thanks to Insta360 for sponsoring this video. The first tip is to not waste any time when you go to record. Press record once you're ready to get into the action. There's no point in pressing record and then making adjustments to the camera or to your jacket or your helmet or taking a call, because the AI may include this as part of your sequence. And when you finish, so you've stopped your walk or your ride or whatever activity it is you're doing, then stop recording immediately. For car shots, to avoid the fumbling around with the camera and shots of you press and record, you can use your phone in the car to start and stop recording. And obviously not while you're driving, start recording before you set off. On a bike, you can use gesture mode so the camera starts recording straight away with no shots of you fumbling around with the camera. The second tip is to shoot less video. When the AI analyzes your footage, it's looking for variety and moments that it can create shots out of. So if you give it a 5-minute shot that all looks the same, it will be limited as to what it can do with the footage. Record for at least 1 minute, but no more than 2 minutes. And this will give you some nice shots that the AI can then use to create a sequence. And the less you shoot, the faster the AI will analyze your footage and create the shots. I shot a 7-minute sequence and it took the AI 5 minutes to analyze the footage, which for me was too long. So if I want to use the AI, I now shoot shorter shots. Tip 3 is to not hold your selfie stick like a traditional selfie stick with your arm out in front. Instead, hold your hand casually down by your side and extend your selfie stick to eye level height. This will put your camera in an immersive position where the AI can look around the whole image, and it can choose shots of you or the POV shots of where you're going and what you're looking at. It gives the AI more flexibility and more creativity and will make your shots more interesting. Tip 4 is to not use AI if you've mounted your camera in a POV position like on a chest mount. This is because half of the camera image will be blocked by your body, which will restrict what the AI can do with your footage. Tip 5 is to use the AI for traditional walking forward shots. Don't try and get fancy with your movements because the AI won't understand what you're trying to achieve. In this example, I was walking backwards and thinking in my head that this will make a great shot of the tree if I reframed it myself. However, the AI doesn't know that, and it just included a shot of me walking backwards, which just looked a bit weird. Tip 6 is that in general, keep your selfie stick in one place. Don't wave it around all over the place, as this makes it more difficult for the AI to create a smooth shot. For tip 7, however, I do encourage you that if you are shooting a 2-minute sequence, that you can afford to experiment with different camera positions. And this will give the AI more angles to play with. For example, if you're walking the dog, you could start with the camera at your head height and then lower the selfie stick to ground level at the dog's head height. If you are walking, you could start with the selfie stick over your shoulder and then slowly move it in front of you. When you use the AI in the app and it's created your shots and your sequence, it doesn't stop there. There's so much more that you can do. And for these next tips, we're going to look at how you can improve the sequence that the AI has created. The first thing you can do is look at the clips here at the bottom that the AI has created, and you'll notice that the AI may not have used all of the clips. So if there's one that you like, then you can select it by tapping the circle at the bottom. Press the auto edit button again and it will remix the new clips into the sequence. Now you can change the template that the AI has chosen by selecting any of the templates along here. You can scroll along all of them or select a category here and choose from life, vlog, sport, travel, etc. You can change the music by selecting the music icon at the bottom and then choose from all of these tracks. and you can select one of the recommended tracks or select a music category like sports, chill or travel. Select the edit tab here and you can then see every clip that has been used to make up the sequence generated by the AI. Tap any clip you want to make changes to and you can then select adjust at the bottom here and trim the length of the clip by sliding the tabs at the start and the end of the clip. And you can select the tick icon when you're finished. You can also select a clip and then select movement at the bottom instead. And in this section you can now reframe your clip by swiping on the screen to change the angle. Once you've changed the angle, you can then select update and this will change the new position. The most exciting and creative part of this process is that under the movement section you can change how your shot and your clip actually moves. Each thumbnail at the bottom has a preview of the movement, so select the one that you like and it will apply it and play it automatically. If you want to play the clip again, tap the screen in the middle. You can lengthen or shorten the movement for a clip by moving the sliders in and out at the bottom here. And when you're happy with the movement, press the tick icon. And you can then repeat this process for every clip in the sequence. And when you're happy with the sequence, you can then select export and you can export to your phone's album. I suggest that you select custom and this will allow you to export at the highest resolution by adjusting the resolution here and the highest bit rate by selecting the bit rate slider here and then select export. Also, for the best quality images, remember to use the correct camera settings when you shoot these AI shots, and to find out what they are you'll want to watch this video next, and I'll see you over there.